Hi friends, this is me Dr. Abhishek. When the days are cold, when winter comes, one of the very common problem we all face is dry skin. So in this video, I'll tell you how to make best moisturizer at home with simple ingredients so that your whole winter is very smooth and soft. When the days are cold, when the wind is blowing cold outside, because of the coldness outside and low humidity, it absorbs all the moistures from our skin and the result is very dry skin. Even some people experience this dry skin throughout the year. They keep trying different types of moisturizing cream. I have seen some of are very costly, some they are with some chemicals, but mostly they keep doing some or other kinds of experience throughout the year. So in this video I decided to tell you a very simple remedy or recipe to make it at home, and you can make it either if you want throughout the year or during the winter. So here you need basically three ingredients. The one is coconut oil. It's all known to everyone. Coconut oil is the best moisturizing oil. Second, you need hemp seed oil. Coconut oil and hemp seed oil both are best anti-irritating, anti-inflammatory and best moisturizing oil. So coconut oil, hemp seed oil, and the third you need shea butter. All three ingredients mix in equal quantity. You don't need to increase any quantity, just all three should be equal quantity: shea butter, coconut oil and hemp seed oil. Sometimes shea butter is sometimes very hot, so you can warm it so it get melted and then mix equal quantity. Now these all three ingredients to mix up and keep it ready. 2 times daily you should apply all over your body, because hemp seed oil is the best anti-irritating. If your skin is sometimes creating a lot of irritation and scratching, sometimes eczema happens, so it works even on eczematic skin. It's a best inflammatory oil. When you mix with coconut oil and shea butter, it gives a very good result, and you can use throughout the year. It is useful for all aged people, from kids to the old age people. So you can use it every day, once or 2 times daily, but the best is to use after you take shower, because that is the time your skin need more. What I will suggest here, as per Ayurveda, before, if you take massage, before taking shower, if you take sesame oil massage, apply sesame oil all over your body. If you don't want too strong sesame oil, you can mix sesame oil and coconut oil, apply all over your body 5-10 minutes before shower, and then take shower. And after shower, when you apply this recipe what I said, it's going to give you very good result. So thank you so much. Write me the experience, how you feel after using this recipe.